Let's say you have a board with a long list of automations, maybe 20 or more. A new feature now allows you to add a description to each automation, and I highly recommend using it. For example, if I have an automation that says when a stage changes to code, move the item to active fields, I can add a description like minor automation. Another one might be marked as major, and a high priority one could be labeled critical. Once you've added these descriptions, you can use the new filters to instantly find what you need. You can filter by description, for example, showing only critical automations. You can also filter by whether the automation is enabled or disabled. This makes it much easier to focus on what matters most: troubleshooting issues or reviewing high-impact automations without scrolling through everything. It's a small tip, but it could save you a lot of time when managing complex workflows.